I'm Bobby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check your tire pressure and add air if you need it. Let's go! Before we get started, you want to make sure you have cold tire pressure. So that means that 1. You haven't driven for more than 2 hours. 2. You haven't driven for more than 2 kilometers. Most tires use anywhere from 32 to 35 psi. To find out your specific tire psi, you check your owner's manual or check the sticker on the door panel. So, step 1 is you're going to want to take off your tire cap. So, next you're going to want to take the pressure gauge and put it on the air valve. And if you hear hissing, that means air is escaping. You're just going to want to reposition it until you hear no air escaping. When you remove the gauge, check the pressure and then compare it to what you should have. If it's where it should be, lucky you. You don't have to spend money and fill up that tire. If it's not, then you have to fill up your tire. Once you're done, remember to put your caps back on. And also, if you're ever going on a long road trip or something, make sure you check your tire pressure, because uninflated tires or improperly inflated tires could cause an accident.
Like if you found this video useful, and if you want, consider subscribing.